How to turn off photo tags notifications on Twitter. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to turn off photo tags notifications on Twitter. First go to Twitter and then just go here and now go down and click this one, settings and privacy. Click on it and then just need to find this one, notifications, and now click this one, preferences. Click on it and then click here, push notifications, and now on to do just click here to turn this one off. And as you see, photo tags has been turned off. And that's today's video. If you like it, don't forget like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.